Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe so that you will not miss my upcoming videos. And don't forget to give me some likes if you like what I'm doing too. And we're going to continue with Python tutorials. As you can see here, we have a task to do, and we are going to do step by step so that you will learn how to do those kind of tasks. If you have to do them, for example, or if you want to learn the basics of Python. And let me read it first. And sorry, I have some flu and the quality of my voice is not so great. So I have to remind it. And what I'm going to do first, I'm going to read the task and we will do it step by step. First, write a program that draws and prints two different number lock codes. A three-digit code, each digit of which is between 0 and 9. That's the first thing we have to do. And second, a four-digit code, each digit of which is between 1 and 6. And we have a tip here to help us do this task. Tip: learn how to use the random function. So we're going to draw some lock or some digit numbers. Here we will have 3 digits to print out randomly. Here will be 4 digits, and we need this random method or function. First, let's import it here so that we can use it down below. Yes, random. And here we're going to first do this three-digit code between 0 and 9. Yes, we can define a variable for that and give it a name. And the name can be whatever you want to write. I'm going to give it like, let's say 3 underscore maybe digits underscore what else, 3-digit codes, yes, equals to an empty string. So right now the variable is empty, and what we are going to do is to come down here, use a for loop in Python so that we can get some numbers to print out. Let's say in range, there is a method called range which we're going to use here because we need 3 digits. We're going to use 3 there, and down below here we will call this variable which we have already defined with an empty string here. So let's call it here 3-digit codes equals to itself plus what we're going to do. But there is a way to write it in a shorter version, but let me write it this way first, and the second way I will also write it so that you will know there is a shorter version to write it too. So this equals to itself plus something. What is that something can be? We need a string method because those numbers will be wrapped in a string. So now we can use the random function that random, as you can see here from the tip. So it's not so complicated, and inside this function we're going to give the numbers in between. So it will be between 0 and 9. So we have to write 0, comma, and 9. Yes. The sort of way of writing this is just to come down here. For example, let me print it again and get rid of this here and put equals plus equals. As you notice, this is the sort of way. This and this are the same thing, but so there is some kind of stuff to do to make it a little bit shorter, so you don't need to repeat the same variable. So we can get rid of this first one here. It's just to show you that you can do also this way or the first way. It doesn't matter. If you don't like to write a long line of codes, you can do it that way. And here we have done for this a 3-digit code, each digit of which is between 0 and 9. So for the second part of this task, we can do almost the same, but change some names here. Let's come down here, or let me show you this here. You can come here, change this from here to here. And where else? So we need here 4 digits, and now it will be between 1 and 6. So 1 and 6. Right now we're going to print those two variables and see what we have. Let's print. We can print them twice. We can also put them in one print. It's almost the same, but let me do this way right now. This will be for the 3 digits, and here will be for the 4 digits. Yes. So you can right click here and see the name of the file and press run. As you can see here, we have this randomly this digit 954 for the 3 digits and 3645 for the 4th digit. We can also run it again and see the changes. Yes, as you can see, we have also different numbers here, but still the same 3 digits and 4 digits. Yes, that's the way you can do this kind of tasks if you have to do them, for example. And don't forget to subscribe and give me a like if you like this kind of tutorials. Thank you and see you then. Bye bye.